Ever felt like navigating the world of cryptocurrency is like steering a ship through a stormy sea? Fear not, fellow crypto voyager. Today, we'll be diving deep into the calm waters of Kraken, a popular crypto exchange, and charting a course through its available payment methods. Why Kraken? Well, it boasts a user-friendly interface, robust security features, and a wide range of cryptocurrencies. But most importantly for today's adventure, it offers a variety of ways to get your hands on those precious digital coins. So, buckle up and raise the sails. Here's your guide to conquering Kraken's payment methods. 1. Fiat currency deposits, the classic course. Let's start with the tried and true method, good old-fashioned fiat currency. Kraken accepts deposits in various currencies, including USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, JPY, and AUD. Depending on your location, you might have access to additional options. Here are the ways you can send your fiat to Kraken. Wire transfer. This is the most common option, offering a secure and reliable way to transfer large amounts. However, it can take a few business days for the funds to reflect in your Kraken account. ACH transfer, US only. This is a faster alternative for US residents, allowing you to transfer funds electronically from your bank account. Processing times are typically shorter than wire transfers. SEPA transfer, Europe only. This is the standard bank transfer method for European users, offering a convenient way to deposit funds in euros. 2. Crypto deposits, the direct route. Already have some crypto stashed away on another exchange? You can use it to fund your Kraken account directly. This is a great option if you want to avoid the hassle and potential fees associated with fiat deposits. Just keep in mind that Kraken only accepts deposits for cryptocurrencies that they list on their platform. 3. Third-party payment processors, the convenient shortcut. For those seeking a more streamlined approach, Kraken integrates with some third-party payment processors. These services allow you to deposit funds using familiar methods like credit cards, debit cards, or even online wallets. However, be aware that these options might come with higher fees compared to traditional bank transfers. Important note, availability of payment methods can vary depending on your location and regulatory environment. Always check Kraken's official website for the most up-to-date information specific to your region. Choosing the right payment method. Alright, Captain, we've explored the different routes available. But which one should you choose? Here are some factors to consider. Speed. How quickly do you need the funds to appear in your Kraken account? Fees. Compare the fees associated with each method to find the most cost-effective option. Convenience. How comfortable are you with using a particular payment method? Limits. Be aware of any deposit or withdrawal limits associated with your chosen method. Beyond the basics, advanced options. For those crypto adventurers seeking a more intricate path, Kraken offers additional payment solutions. Margin trading. This advanced feature allows you to borrow funds from Kraken to amplify your trading potential. However, it comes with significant risks, so only engage in margin trading if you fully understand the implications. OTC trading. For high-volume traders, Kraken provides over-the-counter, OTC, trading services. This allows for larger transactions with potentially more favorable rates compared to standard exchange trading. Remember, these advanced options are not for beginners. Always conduct thorough research and understand the risks before venturing into these territories. Kraken's payment methods, a compass for crypto voyagers. With a variety of payment methods at your disposal, Kraken empowers you to navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a crypto newbie just setting sail, you'll find a course that suits your needs. So, chart your course, choose your payment method, and hoist the sails. With Kraken as your guide, the vast sea of cryptocurrency awaits your exploration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.